What are you when everything is taken away? The title, the applause, the wealth, the name the world calls you by. When the noise fades and the crowd disappears, who are you then? When comfort leaves and the silence comes, do you still stand? Do you still trust God when nothing proves your worth? Do you still love Him when He gives you nothing to show? If He removes your strength, will you still kneel? Because everything you can lose was never who you were.